Located less than 500 meters off the shore of Joyuda in Cabo Rojo, Puerto Rico, is a tiny island named Cayo Ratones. The island was originally called Cayo Pinas, or Pinero Island, for Pineapple Island. It was abandoned and quite literally trashed, which resulted in being overrun by mice, earning its new name of Mice Island, Cayo Ratones. Don't worry, the rodents are gone and the island is now under the protection of DRNA, the Puerto Rico Department of Natural and Environmental Resources. Environmental groups have planted red mangroves and other plants to help protect against erosion on this tiny little island. This small cay has no facilities or services. Take your trash with you. But it is a beautiful spot for swimming and snorkeling. The shallow, white sandy bottom is seen as lighter shades of blue as we look down in the water. In previous years of the annual Joyuda Triathlon, one leg has included a swim to Cayo Ratones and back to shore. For us non-triathletes, Cayo Ratones is accessible here by drone, small boat, or kayak. This area of Joyuda is also one of the prettiest spots to watch the sunset and enjoy a cold beverage like these friendly customers at Restuarante Cayo Azul and El Corral next door. These are two of my favorite spots for happy hour and a great view. There are plenty of bars and restaurants along Route 102, including my favorite restaurant for dinner, Costa Brava. Sit back, sip your mojito, and let's watch the sunset over Cayo Ratones. As a special treat after the sun goes down, the restaurant lights attract the sabalo fish we see swimming below. More commonly known as Atlantic Tarpon, these large, silvery fish are more beautiful than tasty, so you probably won't see them on the menu. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos from Jen There, Done That, living in Puerto Rico, eating in Puerto Rico, and beyond.